Create a cozy fall look on a budget. As the cool, crisp air of fall sweeps in, it's the perfect time to make your home feel warm, inviting, and cozy. However, fall decorating doesn't have to mean spending a fortune. Whether you're a lover of autumn's golden hues or you simply want to cozy up your space for the colder months ahead, I'm here to show you how to achieve that perfect fall look on a budget. Today, we'll dive into affordable yet stylish ways to transform your home without breaking the bank. So grab your pumpkin spice latte and let's jump into some budget-friendly decorating ideas that will make your space feel like a cozy autumn haven. One of the easiest and most effective ways to create a cozy fall atmosphere is through lighting. You don't need to invest in expensive chandeliers or fancy fixtures. Instead, focus on soft, warm lighting options that are affordable. String lights are an excellent choice, and you can find them at most stores for under $20. Opt for those with a warm yellow glow to instantly make your space feel more inviting. You can drape them around your windows, across your mantle, or even along a bookshelf for that subtle autumnal glow. Another great option is to add candles. Whether you prefer real candles or LED versions, they're an inexpensive way to create that cozy ambience. Consider placing them in lanterns or mason jars for a rustic, fall-inspired look. When it comes to fall decorating, wreaths are a must. But instead of splurging on store-bought versions, why not create your own? A DIY fall wreath is not only budget-friendly, but it can also be a fun and relaxing weekend project. You can easily find inexpensive wreath bases at craft stores or even dollar stores. From there, all you need are a few faux leaves, pine cones, and some mini pumpkins or acorns to bring that fall feeling to your front door. You can even add a burlap bough or ribbon to give it a personal touch. The great thing about a DIY wreath is that you can customize it to match your home's color scheme and switch it up year after year. Not only is it cost-effective, but it also allows you to get creative and craft something truly unique. Transforming your living room or bedroom for fall is as easy as swapping out your textiles. Cozy throws and pillows can instantly make a space feel warm and snug without costing a lot. Look for plaid, cable knit, or faux fur throws in autumnal colors like mustard, burnt orange, and deep reds. These simple touches will not only add texture and warmth, but also give your room that quintessential fall vibe. You don't have to buy brand new items either. Consider checking out thrift stores or discount retailers for budget-friendly options. Even adding a few pillow covers instead of purchasing full pillows can save you money while still giving your space a fresh, cozy look. Before we dive into even more affordable fall decorating ideas, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Join our cozy home community where we share seasonal tips, DIY ideas, and all things interior decor. Like this video and let us know in the comments what your favorite fall decorating tip is so far. Are you more into DIY projects or quick budget fixes? Let's keep the conversation going below. One of the best things about fall is that nature provides you with a wealth of free decorating materials. Pine cones, acorns, branches, and leaves are all abundant during this season and can easily be incorporated into your decor. Go for a nature walk, gather some beautiful fall foliage, and create your own centerpieces or mantle displays. You can fill vases with branches or use a large bowl to display a collection of pine cones and small pumpkins. Nature-inspired decor adds an authentic touch of fall to your home without costing a penny. Plus, it's a great way to bring the outdoors in, creating a soothing, rustic atmosphere. You can even get the kids involved by having them help you collect and arrange these natural elements. If you want to switch up your wall decor for fall but don't want to spend a lot, consider swapping out some of your current artwork for fall-themed prints. There are plenty of free printables available online, or you can head to your local craft store for affordable seasonal prints. Swap them into frames you already own and hang them on your walls for an instant seasonal upgrade. If you're feeling crafty, you can even create your own wall art using fall leaves, stencils, or paint. The best part? These prints and DIY projects can be done on a tight budget, but they make a big visual impact. No fall decor is complete without pumpkins. But instead of splurging on expensive decorative pumpkins, you can get creative with how you display them. Check your local farmer's market for affordable, real pumpkins or pick up some faux pumpkins from a discount store. You can also paint them to match your home's color scheme, giving you a unique take on the traditional fall look. Try grouping different-sized pumpkins together on your dining table or around your fireplace for a chic, fall-inspired display. And if you're looking for even more savings, consider using mini pumpkins and gourds. They're typically more affordable and just as impactful when styled thoughtfully. Creating a cozy, fall-inspired home doesn't have to cost a fortune. With a little creativity, a few DIY projects, and some clever shopping, you can achieve that warm, inviting atmosphere without breaking the bank. Whether you're swapping out your throws, adding some twinkle lights, or gathering natural elements from your backyard, these budget-friendly tips will help you transform your home into a cozy fall retreat. Now that you've got all the tools to make your home autumn-ready on a budget, I'd love to hear what your favorite tip was from today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.